Hi, I'm Ophelia. Today I want to talk something about language acquisition. First, I want to share my English learning experience. Second, I will compare the similarities and differences between first and second language acquisition. Third, I will talk about some factors that affect my English learning. Last, I will share some pedagogies. Like most Chinese students, I started learning English in the primary school when I was 6 years old. I still remember in the first class, the English teacher gave each of us an English name. It was interesting. After that, the teacher taught us vocabulary by using pictures. For example, when she showed us the picture with the apple, she said apple, and we need to repeat it after it. In the test, she gave us the picture and we need to write down the correct vocabulary. I think this kind of test is interesting and effective because it includes many pictures which help me to recall the vocabulary. When I entered the middle school, the English teacher just showed us the word list and asked us to repeat the words again and again. The words are more difficult and the way of memorizing the word is also boring. When I came to Canada, I found that the classroom in Canada is completely different from that in China. The Canadian classrooms are more consistent with developmental perspectives, which argue that language develops primarily from social interaction. In class, we need to speak our minds, not just to listen professor. This is my experience of English learning. Next, I would like to talk about the similarities and differences between first and second language acquisition. First, both first language and second language are learned by imitation. Second, both first language and second language have predictable stages. There are also some differences between first language and second language acquisition. For first language, children are pre-equipped with universal grammar. For second language, first language has an influence on second language. Second, the acquiring process of the first language is very rapid, while the learning process of the second language can vary from language to language and from person to person, but can never be as rapid as the first language acquisition.